Hello. Thanks for your interest in being a dual enrollment student. You've completed the online application and your California Community College account. And about 3 to 5 days later, you received an email with enrollment instructions that included your LACCD student ID. It starts with an 88 or 900, and your LACCD email address. Now you're ready to complete the dual enrollment K-12 form. You'll need the name and email address of your high school counselor, your parent or guardian's email address, which should be different from yours, your personal email address that you use to apply to the college, your LACCD student ID number that you received via email. Let's begin. Go to the home page for your college. Click Admissions on the drop-down menu. Then select K-12 application or dual enrollment. On the page, look for K-12 form or supplemental enrollment form. You'll get a login page. You're going to enter the email that you used to apply to the college and your password. You'll then see a question or two to verify your identity. Now you've reached the K-12 form. Some of the information may already be filled in. Fill in the rest. Be sure there are no typos or the form may not go through. For student ID, use your new LACCD ID number, not your high school ID number. For the student grade, use your current grade unless you are enrolling for summer. Then use the grade you will be starting in the fall. For example, Jack is in the 10th grade but wants to enroll for summer only. He will put the 11th grade for student grade. Select your high school from the drop-down. If you don't see it, use Other, then type in the name of your high school. Add in your high school counselor's name and correct school email address. Enter your parent or guardian's name and correct email address. Again, it cannot be the same email you used for yourself. Select the correct semester and the year, and then enter the class or classes you'd like to take. Have a second or third choice in case your first choice is not available. Scroll down and click on the signature to generate your electronic signature. You'll see a disclaimer to read before entering your name and signing electronically. You'll see your electronic signature, the date, and a timestamp above your name indicating when you signed. The form will be automatically emailed to your high school counselor for an electronic signature. Then the form will be automatically emailed to your parent or guardian for their electronic signature. There's an exception. If you have taken a dual enrollment class before at one of the 9 LACCD colleges, and your parent already signed back then, they will not need to sign the form again. Can my counselor and parent or guardian sign a paper version of the form? No, I'm sorry. Paper forms are no longer accepted. How do you know when your form has been signed by the counselor and parent or guardian? You can check this on your dashboard. Keep watching and we'll explain. After you e-signed the form, you saw a screen with My Forms History. When you want to check if the signatures have been completed, you'll return to that screen. Forms you have completed or have in progress will appear here. Click the PDF of the form you want to view. Scroll down to check the signatures. We can see that the high school counselor and the parent or guardian have signed this form. Now that the signatures are in place, Admissions and Records automatically gets the form and will review it. Allow 3 to 5 business days for the review. When you check your form again, you'll be looking for the Admissions and Records approval notice and signature. If your request was denied, a note would appear here with more information on who to contact to discuss. But if you're approved, you're clear to enroll in classes. Did you think completing the K-12 form was the end? There's one more step. To actually get enrolled in the classes, log into your LACCD student portal at mycollege.laccd.edu. Now my colleague will explain how to enroll in classes.
Enter your student ID number on the first line and password on the second line. Select Manage Classes. Click on Enrollment Dates. For each term, you will receive an appointment start date and time. This represents the day and time you can begin enrolling in classes for that specific term. Click on Class Search and Enroll. Under Search for Classes, enter the course subject and number. Select the course. You can view a description of the course by clicking on the course information link in orange. Choose a class. You can review the enrollment and drop deadlines for each class by clicking on the class number link in blue. Select Next. If the class has already started, you will need to request a permission number from the instructor before adding the class. Select Accept. Review all of the information and click Submit. Congratulations, you are now a concurrently enrolled student